Here are 5 things that you need to do right now if you want to use your VA home loan benefit to grow wealth. We're not just talking wealth right now, but also generational wealth. Make sure you stick around to the very end. I'm going to show you how this is done easily and quite effectively. Number 1, you need to get a copy of your certificate of eligibility. If you are having a difficult time locating your certificate of eligibility, then you need to have your DD-214 ready. Your certificate of eligibility, that is what we call
the golden ticket.
Because
The golden ticket.
tells us everything that we need to know about your ability to use the VA home loan benefit. Because it is possible to be eligible to use the VA home loan benefit and not qualify. It is also possible to qualify and not be eligible to use the VA home loan benefit. Number 2, make sure that you are speaking with a VA home loan specialist so they can help you with the ins and outs of a VA home loan transaction. Number 3, make sure that you are working with a real estate agent who understands how VA transactions are done. Not all real estate agents want to be a part of a VA transaction. Make sure you're working with an agent that wants to serve someone who has served our country. Number 4, if you are a current homeowner, you'll want to get back in touch with that real estate agent to set a rental price for your current home. One of the fun things about a VA loan is if you plan on renting out the current house you live in, the VA does not always require a lease agreement or rental agreement before you close on the house.
Number 5.
I am really pissed off!
Make sure that you set a budget for the new house. The last thing any of us ever want to do, and I'm sure the last thing you want to do, is put yourself into a position where you're house poor. As a VA specialist myself, I'm going to let you know that if you have not been renting that house out for the last 2 years, we cannot use that rental income to help you qualify for more house. We can use a rental agreement or projected rental income to offset the current mortgage payment. So here's the easy part. You can try to track down your certificate of eligibility or just call your loan officer and have them do it. It only takes us about 14 seconds. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so we can get more of this content out to our nation's heroes so they understand what their VA home loan benefits are.